Welcome to our channel where we solve your digital challenges with easy steps. Welcome to our channel here to help you solve common digital issues with straightforward solutions. If you've been facing trouble logging into your Numerica Credit Union account, you're not alone. And today we're going to walk through the simplest and most effective way to fix this login error. First, ensure your internet connection is stable because connectivity issues often cause login problems. Next, clear your browser's cache and cookies as outdated or corrupted data can interfere with the login process. To do this, go into your browser settings, find the Privacy or History section, and select the option to clear browsing data. Make sure to include cookies and cached files. After clearing, restart your browser and try logging in again. If that doesn't work, verify that you are entering the correct username and password. Sometimes, typing errors or forgotten credentials cause login failures. To reset your password, simply click on the Forgot Password link on the Numerica Credit Union login page and follow the on-screen instructions carefully to create a new password. Another helpful tip is to update your browser or app to the latest version because outdated software might have compatibility issues with the website or app. Also, check if the Numerica Credit Union website or app is undergoing scheduled maintenance or is temporarily down by visiting their official social media channels or status page. If none of these steps solve your problem, try accessing your account from a different device or browser to see if the issue lies with your current device. For added security and troubleshooting, disable any VPNs, proxies, or firewall settings temporarily as they can interfere with the login process. Finally, if you continue to experience trouble, contact Numerica Credit Union's customer support directly for personalized assistance. They're equipped to resolve complex issues that cannot be fixed through basic troubleshooting. By following these step-by-step instructions, you should be able to fix the Numerica Credit Union login error and regain access to your account quickly and safely. Thank you for watching and implementing these tips to stay connected securely with your financial world.